Hello class 12th. In my previous video we studied about the chapter 10 disease. In chapter 10, diseases caused by bacteria and diseases caused by virus like common cold, dengue. Now today we start with this dengue fever. Dengue fever is a virus borne disease, means caused by the virus of the genus Flavivirus. Is caused by the genus Flavivirus. It is also known as backbone or dandy fever. It is also called as backbone fever. Backbone. It is also called as backbone fever or dandy fever because why? Because it causes intense joint and muscle pain. Why it is called backbone fever? Because it causes intense joint and muscle pain. It is a hemorrhagic fever and can be fatal. A virus itself cannot spread through person to person, and this require a vector. Here vector required, that is Aedes aegypti. Aedes aegypti is a mosquito. The transmission of dengue virus occurs by the bite of Aedes aegypti mosquito. And what are the symptoms? It includes severe headache, severe muscle and joint pain, rashes and other hemorrhagic manifestation, leukopenia, enlargement of liver, hematuria, fall in platelets count. Second, bleeding, nose and gums, and difficulty in breathing, reduced urination are the alarming sign of the dengue fever. Fall of platelets count and rise of hematocrit level is the specific characteristics of the dengue fever. Diagnosed, how diagnosed is diagnosed by the only by blood test. Prevention, proper solid and solid waste disposal, elimination of the stagnant water in domestic environment. Aerosol and liquid spray has to be applied directly to kill the mosquitoes. Control of mosquito population and wearing of long sleeves and pants can help in the prevention of the disease. No specific antibiotic is present for the treatment of the dengue fever. Acetaminophen and codeine and this drug name is codeine are provided to relieve for severe headache and joint pain. Aspirin, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs must be avoided, and increased intake of fluid and complete bed rest is usually suggested to the patients. Now, common things caused by flavivirus. It is also called backbone fever. Mosquito act as a vector here which transmits the disease from unhealthy person to a healthy person. Name of the mosquito is Aedes aegypti. The drug which give, that is codeine, which relieve in pain, joint pain, relief from the severe headache and joint pain. Aspirin, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs must be avoided. Now next is chikungunya. Chikungunya is also caused by the chikungunya virus, also called chiku. Also called chiku. Chikungunya virus is a member of the genus Alpha virus. It is a member of the genus Alpha virus, and it is also requires a vector, that is Aedes aegypti. Symptoms: sudden onset of fever, crippling joints, pain, lymphadenopathy. The fever is typically biphasic. Prevention: it can be prevented by elimination of the mosquito and their eggs. Paracetamol is given in this case to reduce the fever. Analgesic drugs, bed rest and adequate fluid intake are also recommended. Now next is disease caused by protozoans. Now third one is diseases caused by protozoans. Protozoans caused by protozoans. Now first is malaria, well known diseases. Malaria. Okay. Malaria, causative agent of malaria is a protozoan Plasmodium. It lives in the RBC. It lives inside the RBC. Now disease caused by bacteria, two in your course, that is typhoid and pneumonia. Disease caused by viruses, that is common cold, dengue fever and chikungunya. And now third one, disease caused by protozoans. Now first is malaria and second one is amoebiasis, that is caused by the ant amoeba histolytica. Second in your course, that is amoebiasis caused by ant amoeba histolytica. Ant amoeba histolytica, Plasmodium and ant amoeba histolytica. Now here first one, that is malaria. Malaria is caused by the protozoan species Plasmodium, is described by Ronald Ross. Contribution of Ronald Ross, that is Ronald Ross in 1887. Malaria is spread by the female mosquito vector. It is caused by the female. Here gender is not prescribed here in this case of viruses, only Aedes aegypti here. But here in the case of malaria, only female Anopheles mosquito, which feeds on human blood and transfer the sporozoite of Plasmodium. Different species of Plasmodium are responsible for spreading different type of malaria. Two type of malaria is, first is malignant malaria, is also fatal, caused by the Plasmodium falciparum. Malignant malaria caused by the Plasmodium falciparum. This is a type of fatal disease. Now life cycle of Plasmodium. Malarial parasite requires two hosts to complete their life cycle. First is human and second is mosquito.